Today I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough on how to do the burrowing owl monitoring for Butterfly Pavilion in Outway. So first, you might see yourself on the map here, and you could focus on your location with this button if you're out in the field. Then we're going to add the monitoring by clicking the plus button and finding the location type. So for us, that is going to be burrow owl monitoring. If I want to make it easier to find so I don't have to search for it next time, I can click and favorite it, or switch to my team and other visibilities to make it easier to find up at the top. Then I'll select it, and you'll see that now I can move around and place it wherever I am. Again, if I wanted to place it where I'm standing, I can click the location button in the bottom right and focus on me. Let's say we're at the viewpoint and we see a burrowing owl out in the field. Or maybe we need to see the satellite imagery. We can then say, okay, here's the telephone line. It's right over by these prairie dog mounds here. And this is actually a burrowing owl mound. Then we're going to add the individual properties here. So here we're going to address, well, are adults present? Yes. Great. How many are present? Well, we saw maybe 3 of them. Were there fledglings? Yes. How many of the 3 were fledglings? Let's say 1. And then we would address any important activity that we recognized. They're guarding the burrow, they're feeding, they're calling an alarm, any of these others. So we'll say maybe they're doing these 2. This way it selects them both. We can then add a photo, and even if the photo is grainy and far away and you have to zoom really far, try adding a photo. Lastly, if there were any disturbances, we might want to add these. So say, for instance, there were off-leash dogs. Off-leash dogs. And maybe cars. Or maybe construction. This way, we can add all of these details and create this monitoring. Once we create it, it'll be visible to the Butterfly Pavilion team and the rest of our volunteers. And that's it. That's how easy it is.